Welcome back to day 56, daily habits and momentum. I'm going to talk to you friends today on day 56 about what is the fastest way to build your trust, your visibility, and your confidence. There's two words: show up. Once you show up and you build that trust and you have the visibility out there, your confidence is going to be there. Momentum doesn't just come from one viral post. It's born from daily habits. Every time that you post, you're stacking proof that you're reliable and that you're ready for success. But let me explain something to you. Having a viral video is exciting. There's so many people out there that just wish and pray for a viral video. A viral video is good, but a viral video can be bad too because it's going to bring in not your perfect customer. So momentum does happen whenever your video goes viral, a lot of momentum, but you better be ready for it. Be sure and have your notifications on silent once it goes because your notifications are going to drive you. You cannot hush your phone fast enough. But you know what? It's exciting and it keeps you going. And one of the things that I really want to encourage you is this: set a simple 3-day consistency goal, a short form video, one story, and one comment into the community each day. Small actions really add up fast. So momentum isn't magic. It is motion repeated. So drop a fire emoji if you're committed to building your momentum this week. Because friends, I can tell you, the more momentum that you do is going to increase everything for you if you just show up. A lot of people think that they have all day to do it. If I could structure you into a 2-hour work window to where you did everything in 2 hours in your income producing activities, you would not believe how much stuff that you could get done. Instead of putting it off for here, 15 minutes here or there, get your stuff done. I want you to get those daily habits going because when you increase your momentum in the daily habits, you're going to succeed far faster. And in the long run, for the longevity, the momentum is going to be there for you because guess what? When you put the momentum in at the beginning, your business automation is working for you 24/7.